future programmer, welcome back to Code with Ade. In this video, I will show you how you can install your Visual Studio Code easily from start to finish, then prepare it for your coding and programming. So open your browser, any browser of your choice, then come here and type Visual Studio Code. This is the right one, the one that has code.visualstudio.com. Then click on it for installation. It brings this because I am using Windows. If you are using Linux, it will bring download for Linux. If you are using Mac, it will bring download for Mac. So basically this is Windows laptop. So click on download and voila, it's already downloading. This is it right here. Let's wait for it to download. It's 3 to 4 minutes, it will be ready. So let's wait. Voila, we are done downloading. So click on it. After you've downloaded it, and this is the interface that it will bring you to, click on I accept and agree to terms and conditions. Click on next, then mark all this, click on next. Here click on install. So it will take like 2 minutes to install. Then we move to the next part. And voila, installation is complete. Launch Visual Studio Code, then click on finished. Mind you, it brings me here because I already have Visual Studio Code on this laptop. If you are a new user, it will take you to an interface that shows, do you want to leave it as default, like a black mode or a white mode? You will now be the one to click on the black mode or white mode. It depends on your choice. So you will click on any one of them, click on continue, then it will bring you to this new interface, and it will be like this, a very fresh page. Then click on it and start your coding, start your programming, start your coding. And another thing is installation. Maybe later you want to use it, you might not see it on your own page of your laptop like this. So all you just have to do is come to this search bar and click on Visual Studio Code. You can see it right here. Then click on it and start using it. Put your mouse on it, right click on it and pin to task bar. Then here I have it. That is how you can put it down here. On this channel, I talked about how to start coding from scratch. Even if you know nothing about coding, this is the right place for you to learn coding, programming from scratch to a dev point. And if that is what you're looking for, smash on that subscribe button. I am Adiola of Code with Ade. Like the video, share it, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.